Welcome back to the bench. Today we've got, for a recap, my Amiga 2000 power supply. You saw the Amiga 2000 in another video. So this is time to recap its power supply because, you know, these things do fail. So I ordered a lot of caps from DigiKey. First time I'd used DigiKey, so quite impressed with the service. I ordered the stuff, they shipped it out on a Saturday and it arrived here on the Monday. UPS Express from USA with free postage because I ordered more than 50 euros, which is good. Free shipping is always good. Okay, so we have that open. You can see our power supply in there. It all looks pretty clean. I can't see any building capacitors, but I just want to replace them anyway, just as a matter of course, just to be on the safe side. Okay, bit of erroneous plastic in there. Okay. Also what I want to do is I want to replace this fan because yeah, this thing is pretty noisy. So yeah, this one, the original ones, they're pot riveted in. So yeah, you have to drill those out with a drill bit that's just slightly bigger than the hole in there. So we'll get that drilled out. But first, let's just get this PCB out. Okay, it's time to get this earth wire off. No, it's not. So, if we cut the insulation here, we can expose our wires, and then we can desolder them. Yeah, definitely soldered on. Nice. Why can't they use stay clips? So that's one. Let's put a bit of fresh solder on there. That's got it. Off. Bit of fresh solder. And that's off. Now this earth screw, we don't actually have to take the screw out because it's actually used being used as a binding post. We just have to get this back nut off. And as it's on the inside, I think it's a little bit chewed up by the pliers. It doesn't really matter. Nobody's going to see it. Because of that Loctite, it's not spinning freely yet. Okay, so now we can get the switch out. Hopefully. It's being started. So can we get to the screw? Yeah, we can just about get to the screw. That's it. Our PCB should come free now. Okay, we can retrieve our washers without losing any, hopefully. Okay, now for the fun bit, getting this fan out. As I said, this is riveted in, so I'll bring in the cordless drill. Okay. And if we just drill out the sensors here. And I got it. That is our old fan removed, and this is a 12-volt fan, and the one I'm putting back in is also a 12-volt fan. It says it's 0.16 of an amp, and the new one is 0.09 of an amp, so it uses considerably less power. But this one was made in Japan. According to Dave Jones, all the best stuff is made in Japan, which I actually think is a line from Back to the Future. One of them, part 2 maybe. First one, second one. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of this fan so it's out of our way. We've got plenty of cable length on there. Our power supply looks pretty clean. No kind of signs of scorching or anything on the circuit board. We've got the main caps here and then the smaller caps down here. What I like to do is just to go over the old caps with a marker, although they don't seem to be marking very well because of this elastic that was on there, and then just mark them all on the top so I know which are the old ones. And hopefully I ordered enough capacitors and the right ones. I actually got the capacitor list from Jan Beater's video because he did a few months ago a recapping video on his Amiga 2000 power supply. Like him, I'm not replacing these main bulk capacitors because yeah, they don't usually get a lot of abuse. There's no sign of any kind of doming on them. They look pretty good. Plus they're Rubicon, so they're really good capacitors. So I don't think there's any need to replace those at this point. And they're quite hard to come and buy, these ones at the moment. Okay, so the next thing to do is to warm up the desoldering gun, and we'll get some of these out of the way. insulated, and the last job we have to do is to put our fan back on. So we have our red and blue, which I'm presuming is going to be positive and negative. Okay, and we have our fan here, which is actually a 3-wire, because this fan also has a speed sense if you're using it, because this is just a normal PC fan. So I will cut it here and then split out the 2 wires I want. I will leave the yellow wire on there, you never know. I might mod this at some future time and put some kind of speed control, temperature, you know, temperature controlled speed controller in there. Okay, pre-got some heat shrink. Bring in the wire strippers. These type of wire strippers are great. These are T-stripper. These are actually a branded one. They're not a cheap one, but I've had these for probably 20 years and I'm still using them today. No, wrong size. This one's on a strip. Why not? It's to be awkward. There it goes. Probably strip some more insulation, then I can weave them in the same direction. Excuse any loud banging, thuddy sounds you hear. It's obviously getting close to New Year's, so today the fireworks went on sale because they are only allowed to sell them from today onwards, which is the 28th of December in the supermarkets. So obviously all the local kids have been getting their parents to buy them fireworks. So yeah, we'll assume that the blue is the negative. Okay, just solve that. And we'll do the same with the red. Okay, let's hope I made the shrink wrap long enough. Oh, shrink tubing. Yes. Clean the iron. Oops. just long enough. And that's it. Last thing to do is just fit that down. And for that I need some fixings. So I have my box of junk screws here. And hopefully I shall find, here they are. These are actually the proper fan screws for a PC case. Not those ones, these ones. Hopefully I have 4, yeah. And hopefully they'll be long enough with that wire mesh. Now the fan goes this way, so that's the way we want to put it in. Our protective mesh that came off our grill. Yeah, there's going to be no problem getting that in. As the screws go through the hole, yeah, they'll fit through there. Just. Will they fit through here though? No, they won't fit through here, so I might have to just widen these out a bit. One. 2. 4. Now they should fit through better. Yeah. Cable grommet on here. So I'm guessing that loose bit of plastic that was floating around inside the case, wherever it disappeared to, was to connect these two things together. So let's put that down there, and then we can stick that in here. Now just give it a half a turn. Okay. So that is that finished. The last thing to test is to plug it in and hope it doesn't go bang. And find a mains cable. Okay, so I have the power cable, plug it in, make sure not to touch anything inside, and switch it on. And yeah, our fan is running and nothing went bang. Perfect. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell if you want to get notified of future updates. Catch you next time.